Vacuuming dust in post-construction cleaning is a crucial step to ensure a safe and healthy environment. After construction, fine dust particles can settle on every surface, including floors, walls, and ceilings. Using a high-efficiency vacuum is essential as it effectively captures these tiny particles, preventing them from becoming airborne and causing respiratory issues. The process involves systematically vacuuming all areas, starting from the top and working downwards to avoid recontamination. Special attention should be given to corners, crevices, and other hard-to-reach areas where dust tends to accumulate. By thoroughly vacuuming, we not only enhance the cleanliness of the space but also contribute to a healthier indoor air quality, making the area safe for occupancy.